How's it going, everybody? I just want to share a quick video with you today. I had dual exhaust ran on my 2007 Honda Pilot. It's got a Flowmaster Super 10 is the muffler, and it wires off and comes out of the back with 5-inch tips. And I've got the tips kind of angled downward so it doesn't quite look so horrific and kind of looks decent. It wires off right down here at the bottom and comes out to the 5-inch tips. Over here you can see the muffler took the place of the factory muffler right here. See, it wires off and goes out to the back. And this is how it sounds. That's how it sounds from the outside. And this is how it sounds on the inside. Alright, anyway, that's a little video I wanted to share. If anybody has any ideas of wanting to run dual exhaust on your vehicle, you have an idea of how it can sound. And that's all I got for y'all today.